strings that hum with every bow, a whisper soft, a mighty glow. The world dissolves when notes begin, all from my idol's violin. The wooden frame holds magic tight. It sings of dawn and mourns the night, each note a tale where dreams have been carved in my